number on Android phones. ICCID number is a unique identification number that is assigned to any mobile phone. If you have lost your phone or if you want to know the ICCID number of your phone, you can easily find it by following the steps below. In this blog post, CMD99 are going to show you how to quickly find ICCID number on Android phones. How to find ICCID number on Android phones. Finding the ICCID number on an Android phone is a simple process that can be done through the device's settings menu. Here are the steps to find the ICCID number on Android phones based on the search results. On your Android smartphone, open the app slider and choose the Settings app from the list to launch it. Choose the About Phone or About Device choice from the Settings menu by scrolling to the bottom of the page. On some devices, the ICCID number choice may also be listed under the names SIM serial number or IMEI info. In order to access your ICCID number, select the option. If you're having difficulty locating the ICCID number using the methods above, try taking out the SIM card and looking for the number there, or ask your mobile network provider for help. In conclusion, locating the ICCID number on an Android phone is a simple procedure that can be completed through the device's settings menu. Mobile network operators need the ICCID, a special identification code given to a SIM card in a mobile device, in order to connect the device to their network. What ICCID numbers are available on Android? The ICCID number found on Android devices corresponds to the ICCID number of the SIM card that has been inserted into the device. This ICCID serves as a distinctive identifier that is assigned to the SIM card and is utilized to determine which mobile network operator the SIM card is associated with. Typically, the ICCID number can be located on the SIM card or on the packaging of the SIM card. It should be mentioned that certain Android devices have the capability to accommodate two SIM cards at the same time, also known as dual SIM cards. As a result, two distinct ICCID numbers will be present on the device, one for each SIM card. To locate the ICCID number for each SIM card on a dual SIM Android device, the user must follow the same procedure as they would for a single SIM Android device, but for each individual SIM card slot. How to use ICCID numbers on Android? ICCID numbers on Android devices are primarily used for mobile network identification and activation purposes. Here are some common ways in which ICCID numbers are used on Android devices. Activating a new SIM card. When a new SIM card is inserted into an Android device, the mobile network operator will require the ICCID number to activate the SIM card on their network. Troubleshooting network issues. If an Android device is having trouble connecting to a mobile network, the ICCID number may be needed to troubleshoot the issue with the mobile network operator. SIM card replacement. If a SIM card is lost, stolen, or damaged, the mobile network operator may require the ICCID number to replace the SIM card. Mobile device management. In a business or enterprise setting, ICCID numbers can be used in mobile device management to keep track of mobile devices and their associated SIM cards. To use ICCID numbers on an Android device, you can find the ICCID number by going to the device's settings or by checking the SIM card packaging. Once you have the ICCID number, you can provide it to your mobile network operator for activation or troubleshooting purposes. If you are using a third-party app to manage your mobile device, the app may also ask for the ICCID number as part of its setup process. Additional tips and tricks for using ICCID numbers. Keep the ICCID number in a safe place. Since the ICCID number is a unique identifier for your SIM card, it's important to keep it in a safe place in case you need it later on. You can save the number in a password manager or write it down in a secure location. Check for accuracy. When providing the ICCID number to your mobile network operator, make sure to double-check the number for accuracy. An incorrect number could cause activation or troubleshooting issues. Use third-party apps to manage ICCID numbers. There are several third-party apps available on the Google Play Store that can help you manage your SIM card and ICCID number. These apps can provide additional information about your mobile network, such as signal strength and network type. Use dual SIM capabilities to your advantage. If your Android device supports dual SIM cards, you can use this feature to your advantage by having one SIM card for personal use and another for business use. You can easily switch between SIM cards in your device's settings. Be aware of SIM card compatibility. When using a SIM card from a different mobile network operator, make sure to check if it is compatible with your Android device.